Okay, so I'm working on the hood here, and first step for that is to get these hinges on. These are aftermarket brand new hinges and springs. It was a bit of a struggle at first to get those springs installed. We used a trick using some washers, and I'll show you how I did that. Okay, for the hood springs, first we tried to make a tool here with a hook so we could pull on the spring there and hook it on. That's not going to work. It's the fit. I don't know if it's these aftermarket hinges or not, but there's no way to pull that spring and bring it down over the loop. So that was a fail on that. You ready? Yeah. That's it. But once we learned the washer trick, the spring snapped right on.